students. Now I would like to discuss about quantum shift. That quantum shift is given by delta lambda equals to h upon m0 c 1 minus cos of phi, where phi is the angle between original direction and scattered direction of photon, where h is Planck's constant, m0 rest mass of electron, and c is the speed of light. This quantum shift, it can be studied at various angles, just like phi equals to 0, phi equals to 90 degree, and phi equals to 180 degree. Okay, just one by one we will discuss about it. When phi equals to 0 means there is no collision between photon and a rest electron. That photon comes and it goes in the same direction. Okay, and it can be proved by our mathematical expression, that is delta lambda equals to h upon m0 c 1 minus cos 0, and we know the value of cos 0, that is 1 minus 1, it becomes a 0, and 0 multiplied by anything else, it becomes a 0. So the quantum shift, it becomes a 0, means there is a no collision between photon and electron. Okay, now the next we will take phi equals to 90 degree and cos 90, it becomes a 0. Okay, now put the value of cos 90, that 0 in the above formula, we get 1 minus 0, it becomes a 1, that is quantum shift, it becomes h upon m0 c. Put the value of Planck's constant, rest mass of electron, and c. After putting these values, we can solve this expression and we get the value 0.24 into 10 to the power minus 11 meter. I can write 2.4 into 10 to the power minus 12 meters, or in the form of angstrom, 0.024 angstrom unit. Okay. Now this is for phi equals to 90 degree, and if I take another value, that is phi equals to 180 degree, means when photon is incident on rest electron and then it get reversed back, that is phi equals to 180 degree, and cos 180, it becomes a minus 1, and put the value of minus 1 minus, in bracket, minus 1, minus into minus, it became a plus, 1 plus 1, it becomes a 2, and rest of the part h upon m0 c as that. Okay, already we have calculated this h upon m0 c. Okay, put the value 2 into 0.024 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter, we get delta lambda equals to 0.048 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter, and in terms of angstrom, it becomes a 0.048.